Hola amigos, welcome back to the Spanish word of the day with Mr. Briggs. Today's word is an important one. It's the word healthy in Spanish. What a beautiful word, healthy. And it's also a beautiful word in Spanish, so I invite you to learn how to say healthy in Spanish. And please click the red button, suscríbete, that means subscribe. I upload daily. It will help you to enhance your Spanish vocabulary. Okay, comencemos. Let's commence. Saludable. Saludable. Can you repeat after me? Saludable. One more time. Saludable. Saludable. How do we say I'm healthy in Spanish? Well, as you may be aware, in Spanish we have two verbs to be. And depending on what you want to say, you use either ser or estar. Now, ser is used with most of the time with permanent things. So if you are a healthy person all the time, then you would say, yo soy saludable, which means I'm healthy. I'm healthy all the time. I lead a healthy lifestyle. Yo soy saludable. Now, on the other hand, if you haven't been healthy all your life, but you are a bit healthier now, so you are feeling healthy now, you would use estar, which is used for temporary things. So you would say, yo estoy saludable. You started going to the gym, lost weight, and now you are eating healthy. So you would say, yo estoy saludable now. Fantástico. Keeping this in mind, let's continue with a few more examples. Él es saludable. He's healthy all the time. Él está saludable, meaning that now he's healthy. Maybe he's been working out recently. So keep in mind, ser is for permanent things, and we use es. Él es saludable. He's always been healthy, always worked out, eaten healthy. Or él está saludable. Maybe he wasn't in the past. Another example. Ella es saludable. She is healthy. Or ella está saludable. She's been healthy temporarily, recently, maybe in the past she wasn't. If you need additional clarification and explanations about how to use the verbs ser and estar, please watch my playlist where I explain extensively how we use these verbs. Due to time constraints, I'm unable to do it on this video. You'll be able to find the link to my playlist about ser estar at the end of this video and also in the descriptions. Okay, past tense. Here we go. He was healthy, or he used to be healthy. He was healthy, él era saludable. He used to be healthy, él estaba saludable. Él era saludable. He was healthy. Él estaba saludable. He used to be healthy. She was healthy. Ella era saludable. She used to be healthy. Ella estaba saludable. This is why it's so important to be familiar with the verbs ser and estar in Spanish. These two verbs are extremely important. That's why I encourage you to watch my playlist. Saludable, healthy. S-A-L-U-D-A-B-L-E. Saludable. S-A-L-U-D-A-B-L-E. Are you healthy? ¿Eres saludable? ¿Eres saludable? Is he, she healthy? ¿Es saludable? ¿Es saludable? I've written saludable there on purpose so you remember and associate the word healthy with the word saludable en español. And yes, make sure you watch my playlist about ser and estar. Why? Because once you watch those videos, you will be able to fully understand how to use the verb ser and estar. And you won't feel confused, or you won't feel that you don't fully understand when to use ser and estar. So sometimes setting aside a few minutes pays off, because once you get the hang of it, you don't have to worry about it anymore. Muy bien, amigos. Don't forget, my playlist is right here in the link and also in the description. Take care, and I'll see you mañana.